All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company, out here in Ohio. Kind of give you a backdrop here, 24 by 36 post frame building. But I just want to walk you around this building, kind of give you a highlight of what we use material-wise on this building. Again, not a huge building, but an everyday economical building. Kind of give you an idea how we do things, okay? Give you a few tips and tricks. That way, if you're building it yourself, you can get her done. But we're going to come back and we're going to put white wrap on this. But this is we're not going to come back. We're going to do it. But you can see right here, vented soffit. All right, vented soffit right there on the porch. And again, underneath the ceiling, you can see that's a nice touch. And again, that can come in a variety of different colors, brown, tan. You can see this is white, gray, a variety of different colors. And you get that done. You can see a two-tone look here. The bottom here, wainscot, 3 foot on charcoal, and then a conventional gray right there. And then again, leave this up just a little bit. You see that the sidewall steel? You want to leave that up just a little bit from the wainscot. That way you can let the water evaporate. You don't want to let it settle and sit there, because I tell you, there will be rust that'll come up. I've seen this in just one or two, but I tell you, if you do enough of these over the years, the rust will come up on that metal. So just a little tip there. Again, we use a steel door. That's a steel masonite door. That helps obviously with the insulation. Don't want to be using aluminum, I guess. Yeah, not really. You don't be using aluminum. You want to have some that's tight, that steel door. You can see an overhead door. We're going to frame that out. But on this building, again, 24 by 36, and you can see what we did here. It was an existing concrete pad. So from a concrete usage purpose here, this gentleman, you can see we went around this. See how that is right there? You can see that. See the concrete pad? I know the guys have the steel laid out here, and they're working on this building. But you can see the concrete pad existing. So what we did, we went on the perimeter. We dug around. Okay, and you can see on this one, corner post, 6 by 6 corner post. All right, and then on the intermediate posts or sidewall posts, a 4 by 6 CCA. And again, why do that? Well, again, I think a 3-ply, 4-ply, I guess you could do that, or concrete permanent column, but on a building this side, that would be overkill. It would be overkill on a building like this. But a 6 by 6, you put it at the corner to give it more strength. And again, trying to be budget conscious here. And then that's a 2 by 10 ground contact baseboard, treated board right there. It's a #1 grade. Again, what you're looking to do is you're looking to, obviously that's gonna take the elements of the ground, termites, moisture. So you definitely want a #1 grade, and you also want a ground contact. That's important. Ground contact, #1 grade. And then you can see how we set the top beam there. Again, double top beam. Running the trusses here. 4 foot on center. You can see the hurricane ties are up on the building. All right. You can see the RSS bolts that we use there to fix the yellow pine. And again, that's yellow pine. That's not a Douglas fir. Yellow pine is a very strong species of lumber, and you see that right there. Then also SBF. This is a Western SBF for a wall gird. A Western SBF. Let's see here. See that right there? All right. And actually, it's an MSR, which means machine stress raised. See that as I go up there? msrlumber. All right, SBF. It's not an Eastern, but it's a Western. The difference between Western and Eastern is the strength of the lumber. Eastern's a little bit more punky. Western's more stronger, durable, and lasts longer. All right. And then on this building, we use the vapor barrier. Not drip stop, but a vapor barrier. That will obviously provide condensation control. And then the last thing I want to show you is how we did on the inside of this porch. All right. On the inside of the porch, you're probably thinking, what is going on with all these boards going every which way? You see that 2 by 8 that we have fixed right up there. Again, what we're doing is we're catching the corner, because you got to be able to tie in the porch. So we put that 2x8 right up there, and that way you can connect the porch, and you can also see these 2x6. You have to be able to have something from the truss system of the porch to tie in to the building. So that gives you an idea of what we did here. Just a couple things. And if you like the video, definitely hit the thumbs up, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think here. But the guys are day 3 here, out here in Ohio, finish up this post frame. So until the next one, keep it locked loaded right here. Attica Lumber since 1925.